Hello, my name is Wilson Pierce. I'm a student in Spanish 218, Healthcare for Professionals number 2 at Arizona State University. This is for Professor Jimenez class. This is a video blog for Semana 3, las relaciones entre los pacientes latinos y los profesionales de la salud. The question first is, have you ever observed situations in which patients may not have received appropriate services because of their lack of English proficiency or knowledge of the system? Personally, have not so far, but I have seen some nurses really struggle with communication with Latino patients, obviously because of the English and Spanish barrier there. But the nurses were good and went and got an interpreter so that they were able to provide the appropriate services and the appropriate medications and be able to explain any sort of teaching to the patient. So the outcome was actually really good. The patients understood. They were given discharge instructions and teachings in Spanish rather than in English. They had an interpreter that the nurse could use, or that the patient care tech could use at any time. So they were able to provide the care that was needed for the patient. What can healthcare professionals do to guarantee appropriate services to limited English skills patients? That's really just use the resources around them. So use an iPad to call an interpreter, or get a bilingual nurse that's able to speak Spanish, and use those resources to your advantage so that you are able to give the appropriate services and the appropriate patient care to the patient, because really your goal as a nurse or as a doctor in the healthcare system is to be able to get the patients better and get them out back into the general public, and have them have the same lifestyle as they did before, so that they can continue to live on strongly, and be able to be in the general public and be able to serve as a citizen in the public, and be able to go back to work and be with family and do whatever they want to do. So just use the resources around them, and use everything to their advantage. Thank you.